I don't think that's a good idea. We should probably reconsider.
I completely. Alright guys, I'm not sure exactly what happened. I was having so much fun. I was so excited that I didn't realize that when I took it to a ramp that it has some deep holes. But I think I blew the differentials or something. Because it's not. Car is, extremely good, but I don't know if maybe the pinion gear went off. I was trying to see if I can actually solve the issue right now, but I quite don't see what the issue is. Yep, the pinion gear is there, so my job was actually good. Something is blocking, but I don't know what it is, and I guess I will need like proper light. Oh Jesus, I see the problem. Nothing is broken. Nothing is broken, guys. This is what's going on. Look guys, I didn't realize the motor plug came loose. That's it. That's all, guys. This car is a freaking beast. Just the motor cable will loose. Now we should be okay. Let's see. All right. Yahoo! All right, guys. Good news. Let's get rolling. Let's keep rolling, guys. I'm gonna just. Righty guys, now we got the XTS ready for a little off-road. I think it's going to be too much, to be honest. I'm actually afraid. I don't want to damage the car, so look at the water puddles. So there's a lot of water puddles there. Everything is waterproof, but you know what? Who said I'm afraid? I'm not. Well, I might be a little bit, but you know what I mean. That was a lot. I'm so worried now that this shit is gonna. Provide your feedback on this track. Really heavy rocks.
for watching through to the very end. I truly appreciate the time you spent. You stay all the way, that means a lot to me. From the bottom of my heart, I'm glad you're here with me. I appreciate your time, RC cars for life. I truly appreciate every minute you gave. Thanks for watching, my friend. See you on the next one. I love these RC cars, the speed, the turns, the race. Till next time, take care and keep that fire in your place.